This is a very serious question and answer about the knowledge of perfume bottles.
When will the World Cup be held in 2022?
Frankly, I don't know.
That's one.
November 21st, 2022 to
3, 2,
December 18th.
Okay, next one. What are the types of perfume bottle? 3, 2,
Regular.
3, 2, 1.
Inhaler.
Okay, button refillable.
Okay. Regular.
Inhaler. Button refillable.
No.
The last one is roll. Next one. What are the materials of inhaler?
Alumina alone. Pure alumina. Bamboo. Plastic.
Next one. What are the advantages of laser logo engraving?
Can provide exquisite printing.
And the logo will not flow with the reaction of the content.
Next one. Is the sample free?
Yes.
Can we support customized model?
Of course.
Can we provide the finished products for our customers?
Yes.
What's the name of actor of the Iron Man?
Robert Downey.
Yes. Next one. What are the capacity options of our travel aluminum perfume bottles?
For travel aluminum bottles is 5, 8, 10, 15, and 20.
Okay. What test must be performed of perfume bottles during inspection? 3,
Jet
2,
metering test. Welcome test.
Okay. 2, 1. Slip tooth test. Okay.
And
3, 2,
sorry.
1.
I don't know.
I don't know. Next one. What is the diameter of the 8 milliliter glass bottle? Okay. What's the MOQ of our perfume bottles?
For the MOQ, generally we support MOQ of 3,000 for the aluminum bottles and 10,000 for the glass bottles.
Okay. 1.